once we go around this block, probably something like that. Or might tie her to the car then and see how that goes. I don't know why she decided to stop recording, but it's literally in my ear and everything. Ow! Oh, not a smart idea. This is what he's gonna be looking at. That's nuts. That's way too close, dude.
Cop block.
Is he going?
Yeah. He's off.
Okay, for you guys that don't already know, yeah, that sound was me now stuck in the snow.
Oh my gosh, he started dying. No, you're not. No, you're not. Okay, so maybe what I have to do, make it all this hot.
I know you guys are thinking, hey Eli, that's not tread.
It's tread.
Yeah, it's the exact opposite.
Come here.
It's the tire strings.
Tread. Oh my. Gosh, you gotta be kidding. Dude, yeah, just kick my bumper. We're stuck. We're stuck.
Push. You reverse and I'll just push.
Push this way?
Yes, obviously. You're reversing.
Okay.
Alright, thankfully this guy came to save the day. Hopefully. Yeah, so I guess this was in park the whole time, because just now I put it in reverse.
Perfect. Oh, thank you, boss.
And boy, did we get a reaction.
Oh no. Oh no, we're gonna hear Dad's reaction.
You did something I told you not to do. I want the rest of this driveway.
Yeah, got it. What do you mean? He never told me not to.
No, he told you to shovel the driveway.
Yeah, I literally was going to do that. We were only gone for, what, 5 minutes, 10 minutes? We were not gone for that long.
Bro looked like a real life tomato.
No, he was like a...
Oh,
He
and
came in
indeed
clutch,
he
though.
was, because there's
He came
more.
in clutch, Yeah. I mean, I guess that was like the rest of the video. Dad's kind of getting mad, but... Alright, well, I just got my keys taken. I swear, it's always off camera where the interesting stuff happens. This little weasel right here, she snitched. She said, yeah, he was drifting.
Don't say me.
And what did you say? What did you say? No.
Because one thing I said.
No. He lost all control.
But no, he lost it when Dad was like, "So what was you trying to do?" And Abby goes immediately goes, "Well, he was trying to drift." And he goes,
why would
"That's
you?
it."
No. I was turning the corner, not trying to drift. Why would you say that?
Don't even.
Shut the. Oh my gosh. Now my keys are gone. Oh my god. How long, dude? Oh my gosh. I swear.
Hey, he said until every inch of
Yep, that's exactly what he said. Every inch of snow has to be gone. That's all. Thank you guys for watching. By the way, at 1,000 subscribers, one chip challenge.